It's got movement and the post feels quite strong. Might be able to get it out on its own. Bit of body weight. Obviously these can snap. You can go flying if you're not ready. If you're not prepared. Bit this way. Right. Gentle lift. Nice and easy. Just like that. That came out nice and easy. So just going to take the brake around the bottom of the post to break the concrete up. Bit around the back. They're only little posts. I don't feel like there's much concrete there. A bit of body weight. Feels like there might be something on the bottom of this one. See if it's ready to come. Not quite. Alright, should come now. Here we go. There we go. So that one out, nice and quick, nice and easy. One out with the spur on, and try and use the post as leverage to get the spur out at the same time. It's only a small spur. Let's see what that feels like. Oh no, that spur went. Yeah, old, weak little spur. No, we'll have to dig that one out. Yeah, the concrete's completely rotten. I'll get the spade around that one and dig it out. This is what I wanted to do earlier. Easy.